Good morning, friends, and welcome to What I Eat in a Day, Low FODMAP Diet Edition.
I'm going to show you exactly what I eat in a day following the low FODMAP diet. So what are FODMAPs? Well, it's an acronym for a lot of big words that are kind of hard to say. If you want more information, go ahead and watch my video linked above. I always start my day with a glass of hot lemon water. It's just a half a lemon in hot water. It's very refreshing and my whole body feels cleansed after. My breakfasts vary day to day, but this morning I'm in a little bit of a hurry, so we're going with toast, blueberries, and unsweetened sunflower seed butter from Trader Joe's. I love this stuff. I'll have details about everything I'm using and doing in the description below. Okay, now time for coffee. We use the pour over method. It's just ground coffee inside the cone. It sits for 3 minutes and then drains into the cup. I'm gonna use the Milkadamia unsweetened vanilla for coffee creamer. To be honest, this one isn't my favorite. It's very thin and watery and I feel like I have to add a lot, but the flavor is yummy. I try and drink 4 of these a day. To one of them, I'll add the vitamin C powder for a little bit more exciting flavor. Plus, it makes the drink this very cute pink color. My lunches are usually pretty vegetable rich. I usually go with a salad, but today I'm going with cooked veggies, sweet potato, broccoli, and edamame, just lightly salted, no oil or anything. Part of my low FODMAP diet is that garlic and onion really bother me, so I have to be careful with the spices I use. Another lunch option you could go with, if you're in a little bit more of a hurry, is the organic Trader Joe's oatmeal. I like to boost up the protein and nutrients by adding chia seeds, hemp seeds, and cinnamon. I am on a Trader Joe's kick right now, but their cold brew is so good. I pre-add coffee creamer so that it's easier on the go. If I want something hot instead, I go with organic moringa tea. Snack time is a handful of nuts. I try and avoid cashews and pistachios because they're high FODMAP. 2 waters down, 2 to go. I get very simple sushi, just fish, rice, and a vegetable roll without the vegetables that bother me. Okay friends, I have 3 more things I'm really excited to share with you. The first is this ginger spritzer drink that my mother-in-law turned us on to. It is super refreshing for summertime. It's alcohol-free, but honestly so good it makes you feel like you're drinking something a little bit naughty. It's easy to make with just sparkling ginger water, no sugar, a squeeze of lemon, a mint added in and crushed, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then just mix it all up and enjoy with lots of ice. If you guys are liking this video so far and finding value in it, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. It really means a lot. My favorite thing to do before bed is my ginger tea. You take the root, skin, and all and grate it down to about 2 tablespoons. I'll usually add turmeric root in as well, but I didn't have any, so I'll probably just add turmeric powder with a little bit of pepper oil, but all you do is scoop up the ginger and or turmeric into a little tea container and drop it in with hot water.
And we are at the end of the day, finally back in bed, my favorite place. Sorry if it's a little loud, the air purifier is going at the moment. After dinner, when I need to satisfy my sweet tooth, which I always have, that's when I grab the Chalk Zero chocolate bar. It has 0 grams of sugar. Although sugar is fine on the low FODMAP diet, I just try and avoid it as much as possible. So this is just dark chocolate, almond, sea salt, and Madagascar vanilla bean. And then we will drink our turmeric ginger tea and pass out. And that's my day on the low FODMAP eating plan. leave any questions you might have in the comments below, and I will see you soon.